When it comes to architectural design in Yelahanka, Bangalore, SCON Design India Pvt Ltd stands out as one of the top architectural designers in the area. With their expertise and creative approach to design, SCON Design has established a strong reputation for delivering innovative and functional architectural solutions. Their commitment to excellence and attention to detail sets them apart from their competitors. SCON Design India Pvt Ltd is known for their ability to transform spaces into unique and inspiring environments. They have a team of highly skilled architects and designers who are dedicated to creating spaces that are not only aesthetically pleasing, but also practical and functional. Whether it's a residential project or a commercial development, SCON Design has the expertise to handle any design challenge. The key to SCON Design's success lies in their ability to understand their clients' needs and desires. They believe that every project is unique and requires a personalized approach. By taking the time to listen to their clients and understand their vision, SCON Design is able to create designs that are tailored to meet their specific requirements. This personalized approach has earned them a loyal client base and numerous accolades in the industry. One of the reasons why SCON Design is considered one of the top architectural designers in Yelahanka, Bangalore is their commitment to sustainability. They understand the importance of designing buildings that are environmentally friendly and energy efficient. With their expertise in sustainable design practices, SCON Design is able to incorporate features such as green roofs, solar panels, and rainwater harvesting systems into their designs. This not only reduces the environmental impact of the buildings, but also helps their clients save on energy costs in the long run. When it comes to architectural design in Yelahanka, Bangalore, one name that stands out is SCON Design India Pvt Ltd. They are known as one of the top architectural designers in the area, with a reputation for excellence and innovation. With their team of highly skilled and experienced professionals, SCON Design has been creating stunning architectural designs that are not only aesthetically pleasing but also functional and sustainable. What sets SCON Design apart from other architectural firms is their commitment to understanding the unique needs and aspirations of their clients. They believe that every project is unique and should reflect the personality and style of the client. This is why they take the time to listen and collaborate closely with their clients to create designs that exceed their expectations. SCON Design has a diverse portfolio of projects in Yelahanka, Bangalore, ranging from residential homes to commercial buildings and retail spaces. Their designs are characterized by clean lines, innovative use of materials, and attention to detail. Whether it's a contemporary home or a modern office space, SCON Design has the expertise to deliver exceptional results. With a team of talented architects, interior designers, and engineers,